Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna explain the computer hardware and networking paper of TS ESET 2020. This is the most easy and scoring subject in ESET, and it's a recently learned subject for you. So guys, watch the video till the end for better tips. Now let's get into the video. ATX motherboard uses dash type of RAM. ATX Advanced Technology Extended. Advanced Technology Extended ATX means and SODIMM. This means small out, outline dual inline memory module. Single inline memory module. Dual inline memory module. We don't have uh, any this any type of RAM called CC. To the ATX motherboard uses dash type of RAM. Dual inline memory module is the RAM used for ATX motherboards. To, to not get confused in exam, have a note of all full forms and their abbreviations. It will be very terrible if you know the answer but still losing marks for not knowing the abbreviation. So be perfect with abbreviations. Now let's move to our next question. The main purpose of data link layer is to ensure data link layer adds source and destination addresses to the data stream, as well as information to detect and control transmission errors. So the answer is packets of form information are passed on free of errors. You have to know the purpose of every layer and in OSI and TCP/IP. Many questions will be asked on them. Write notes and have diagrams of these layers and data transmissions processes. Now let's move to our third question. Which layer provides the services to the user? The only layer that interacts with user to create and send information is application layer. It is the toppest layer in the both modules. So the answer is application layer. And also know the difference between TCP/IP and OSI models as well. Now let's move to our next question. Bluetooth is an example of Bluetooth is a PAN or PPN network. PAN means private area network or PPN means personal private network. LAN group group of computers connected to an Ethernet at one place. Virtual area network used in companies for efficient supply of chain management with their suppliers. Wide area network 3G and 4G comes under this. 3G and 4G. Now let's move to our next question. Simple mail transfer protocol servers commonly use the transmission control protocol on dash port number. Now I will say the important protocols that you have to remember the must for the exam. FTP protocol, it's 20 or 21. Secure Shell SSH 22 and Telnet. It is also the most important 23. SMTP 25. The answer for our question is 25. Domain name server DNS 53. DHCP 67 or 68. If the option contains both, you can give any one answer. Both will be valid. These are not that important. HTTP 80. This is not important. NTP 123. Uh, Internet Message Access Protocol 143. Simple Network Management Protocol 161 or 162. HTTPS 443. We can see that sometimes browsers give a 443 error. That's because this error, SSL certifications errors. FTP or over FTP 989, 999, 990. These are some of the important protocols port numbers. Note these port numbers. I will provide this in the link also. So go through it. Now let's move to our next question. Which of the following IP addresses belongs to class C? Let's see all the classes IP addresses. Then we will find the class C easily. I will tell you the trick to find it easily. Here it starts like this: A, B, C, D, E, and here from 1 to 240. Okay, now you can see that it is A 1 starts from 1, B 1 from 128, C 192, D 224, and E 240. Here I will let you know that a trick that here first A to B is 128. It's 128, 128. 128 divided by 2, 64. If you add 128 plus 64, we will get 192. And from 64, divide 64 by 2. You will get 32. 192 plus 32, 224. And 224, 32 divided by 2, 16. 224 plus 16, 240. This is one of the trick you can remember easily. You can use this trick in ESET for easy finding the option. So the answer over is 192. The simple thing is divide 128 by 2. Next the answer is 64 divided by 2 and add to the before class. You will get the current class starting address. Now let's move to the next question. Dash is the most widely used protocol for local area networks. Ethernet is the most widely installed LAN technology. Now let's move to our next question. A MAC address is dash bytes long address. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address. It consists of 48 bits. It consists of 48 bits. When it is converted into bytes, it becomes 6 bytes. So the answer is 6 bytes. For the next time, it may ask like this. Ask the number of bits. So be perfect with this. You should also know the IP addresses and difference between the two addresses also. Learn the MAC versus IP addresses. These both are opposite and you have to learn the difference between these two. Now let's move to our next question. An optical fiber is a dash dielectric waveguide that transmits light along its axis. It is very important. It is very simple and easy if easy question. It may also ask in physics paper also. This question asked what is the shape of the optical fiber? The answer is cylindrical shape. The optical fiber is kept under the seas and many where. So the shape of the optical fiber is cylinder shape only. Now let's move to our final 10th question. File transfer protocol typically uses dashboard for communication. As we seen earlier it, in last time, it is 20 or 21. FTP uses either 20, port number 20 or 21. The options given is for only 21. So you can consider this as the answer. If it is given somewhere here as 20, you can put any answer. Both will be the correct answers. And finally, guys, we have finished all technical subjects of TSEZ 2020 of CSC group. If you haven't watched them, go through them also, because we are not only covering the paper, but we are also discussing the important concepts in them. You will have you will have the playlist at the end of the screen. And lastly, all the best, guys.
Thanks, Namaste.